drinks milk.
Does Gajendra drink milk?
No, Gajendra does not drink milk.
Is Gajendra drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra is drinking milk.
Is Gajendra drinking milk?
No, Gajendra is not drinking milk.
Has Gajendra drunk milk?
Yes, Gajendra has drunk milk.
Has Gajendra drunk milk?
No, Gajendra has not drunk milk.
Has Gajendra been drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra has been drinking milk.
Has Gajendra been drinking milk?
No, Gajendra has not been drinking milk.
Did Gajendra drink milk?
Yes, Gajendra drank milk.
Did Gajendra drink milk?
No, Gajendra did not drink milk.
Was Gajendra drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra was drinking milk.
Was Gajendra drinking milk?
No, Gajendra was not drinking milk.
Had Gajendra drunk milk?
Yes, Gajendra had drunk milk.
Had Gajendra drunk milk?
No, Gajendra had not drunk milk.
Had Gajendra been drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra had been drinking milk.
Had Gajendra been drinking milk?
No, Gajendra had not been drinking milk.
Will Gajendra drink milk?
Yes, Gajendra will drink milk.
Will Gajendra drink milk?
No, Gajendra will not drink milk.
Will Gajendra be drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra will be drinking milk.
Will Gajendra be drinking milk?
No, Gajendra will not be drinking milk.
Will Gajendra have drunk milk?
Yes, Gajendra will have drunk milk.
Will Gajendra have drunk milk?
No, Gajendra will not have drunk milk.
Will Gajendra have been drinking milk?
Yes, Gajendra will have been drinking milk.
Will Gajendra have been drinking milk?
No, Gajendra will not have been drinking milk. Do they go to the school?
Yes, they go to the school.
Do they go to the school?
No, they do not go to the school.
Are they going to the school?
Yes, they are going to the school.
Are they going to the school?
Yes, no, they are not going to the school.
Have they gone to the school?
Yes, they have gone to the school.
Have they gone to the school?
No, they have not gone to the school.
Have they been going to the school?
Yes, they have been going to the school.
Have they been going to the school?
No, they have not been going to the school.
Did they go to the school?
Yes, they went to the school.
Did they go to the school?
No, they did not go to the school.
Were they going to the school?
Yes, they were going to the school.
Were they going to the school?
Yes, no, they were not going to the school.
Had they gone to the school?
Yes, they had gone to the school.
Had they gone to the school?
No, they had not gone to the school.
Had they been going to the school?
Yes, they had been going to the school.
Had they been going to the school?
No, they had not been going to the school.
Will they go to the school?
Yes, they will go to the school.
Will they go to the school?
No, they will not go to the school.
Will they be going to the school?
Yes, they will be going to the school.
Will they be going to the school?
No, they will not be going to the school.
Will they have gone to the school?
Yes, they have gone to the school.
Will they have gone to the school?
Yes, no, they will not have gone to the school.
Will they have been going to the school?
Yes, they will have been going to the school.
Will they have been going to the school?
No, they will not have been going to the